Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coldwell Banker, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Coldwell Banker website. Look for the Join Us or Become an Agent option on the homepage. Click on that link to access the registration page. You will see an overview of the benefits of joining Coldwell Banker. Read through the information to understand what they offer. Locate the Register Now button and click on it. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Enter your first and last name in the provided fields. Input your email address and create a secure password. Provide your phone number for contact purposes. Select your preferred Coldwell Banker office location. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Submit button to send your application. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Log into your new account using your email and password. Complete any additional required information on your profile. Explore the tools and resources available to new agents. Once your application is approved, you'll receive further instructions. Begin your journey as a Coldwell Banker agent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.